மூவ் பண்றவங்களே ஒரே விடுங்க சார் கொஞ்சம் மூவ் பண்றவங்க கேம் நம்பர் 8 9 10 11 இந்த கேம் வந்து எல்லாரும் அவுட் ஆவாங்க மேட்ச் முடிஞ்சு எல்லாரும் அவுட் ஆவாங்க.
Okay, being a Chennai fan, I am from Chennai only. There is no issues there. But the only concern is that CSK has no intentions in winning this game. Till from the initial stage till the final death overs, they just want to knock it around, get past the end overs. They just have no intentions. In the initial stage, Uttaraj has mentioned that they want to reduce the run rate in the later stages. But it is 1 or 2 games is okay. But it's been almost 4 games here. Still, if they had the same intentions, it's not really going to work. And they completely had no intentions. That's what is really hurting us. If they had intention, if they pulled some shots and they got out of them, that would not been a concern here. But the only concern, they have no intentions completely. Bowling, fielding, it's not appropriate, not in proper function. That's okay. But batting, they just doesn't have that mindset here.
Why do you think that they have? They should gain the momentum or they should change something?
First of all, momentum comes only when they have intentions, when they go from the start. But here, the momentum itself is not there. From the initial stages itself, apart from Shivam Dube or the Conway, no one had inside. You can see that Vijay Shankar and MS Dhoni. To be honest, I'm a Dhoni fan. But I am not really happy to see Dhoni playing for us in this condition. At least if he goes for some force or tries it and if he gets out, means that will not be hurting it. But this is what he has the capacity, but he's not utilizing it.
And there was some speculation that it is the last match of Dhoni. It is time for his retirement.
To be honest, I find this is a reason for selling the tickets. Maybe not from the real management side, but some fans say they are speculating this. I don't know. But each and every season they are saying. But to be honest, if he's not capable, he's done a real great job for our country as well as CSK so far. But yet, if he's not able to deliver it till now, it's better to retire. I would say as a Dhoni and CSK fan.
Thank you. Your name again?
Ganesh. I'm from Ganesh. I'm from Chennai, Annanagar. Thank you so much.
What happened today? Can you start with the name? Where you from?
Okay, myself Abhijit Chakravarti. I'm coming from Edinburgh, Scotland. So this is my first IPL this season. Of course, as I'm wearing a CSK jersey, so I'm very much supporting CSK as well. But it's quite disappointing because I think the fielding was not that great from CSK, and then they gave away too many runs. And then at last they were actually struggling and to contain them. And you cannot blame Dhoni or the lower order because they can't do it. The pressure was too much to actually take that. So hard luck to CSK. Quite sad. Coming from Scotland and just losing, seeing the favourite team losing, it's quite sad. Thank you.
What is your view that the one thing which CSK will change?
So I think, I'm not too sure. I think there are not many encouraging players out there. The players are there might be for historical reasons, and that is actually not happening because it is cricket and people who are not performing should be changed, right? Because every other team, they are actually making those changes. They're bringing in new faces. They're bringing in young blood, and that is what is needed in CSK. That's my thought.
Your name and where you from?
I'm Abhijit Chakravarti from Edinburgh, Scotland. Thank you so much.
Can you start with the name? Where you from?
My name is Vignesh and I'm from Delhi, and I came to see this Delhi CSK match. Even though I'm from Delhi, I support CSK since 2008. So it was an amazing match. First time watching a live match in the stadium, Chepauk Stadium. Summer experiences, summer vibe, energy. Everyone watching from home, I'm recommending this that வீட்ல என்ன ஜாலியா ஏசில பார்க்கலாம் நினைக்காதீங்க. இங்க சம வைப் சம எனர்ஜி வந்து டெஃபினட்டா பாருங்க. And even though we lost, it was a close match. தலைய நம்ம தோனியை விளையாடுறது 10 ஓவர் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். So that's even a greater experience. So yeah, it was amazing.
And if you want to give some suggestions to have a change for the next game because three games CSK lost.
I don't know. I really don't know because one thing is that Tala style வந்து எப்பவுமே டீப்பா கொண்டு போவாரு. It's okay. So Dhoni always takes the game very deep into the game. But this was a very good bowling effort from Delhi as well. But I think our batting and also some fielding miscatch. There were some misfields in the game as well. So maybe we can avoid that. But I'm no expert. I'm just here to enjoy the game. But overall, it was a great thing. But we could have sped up the chase a little bit in the middle overs. Thanks so much, Vignesh. Thanks so much.
Start with the name. Where you from? And what is your view on this?
Very poor batting, poor middle order. Shivam Dube is not hitting sixes. He is known for spin hitting, but he is very bad at hitting. He is hitting only 1 6. Last match also he had only 1 6, I guess. Very poor middle order. Rutu should open the match. Then only we can win. In power play, there 3 wickets, I guess. If Rutu comes in opening, there will be no wickets. Rutu and Devon Conway will play for at least 6 overs and set the target. Set the target for 6 overs, and then the middle order will take on. But why Rutu is coming on with one down, I don't know really. It's very bad. Rachin is okay, but Rachin is good at middle order. He is good at hitting. Rutu should open next match. Otherwise, CSK won't go for playoff. CSK should forget the playoffs. Rutu should open. Rutu should open, and Anshul Kamboj can come in instead of Mukesh Choudhury. Why 2 left-hand bowlers, I don't know really. Khalil Ahmed is also a left-hand bowler. Then they can go for Anshul Kamboj. He is a right-hand bowler. I have good figures on MI also. So they can go with Anshul Kamboj, and Rutu should open next match. That's it. Siddharth, I'm from Chennai.
Expectation wise, I thought when they told that Conway is playing this match, Rutu and Conway, the combination is very OG. They play very well. They have that connection a lot. And Rachin, Conway, Rutu, if they had batted well, it would been very, very good. But unfortunately, they got out. Unfortunate out. And then Vijay Shankar, he played really, really well. I didn't expect him to play this well, but he did a wonderful job. Hit 69 runs, that is very good. And Dhoni actually he played a lot. He could have done a lot better, but he's old now. So I think instead of Dhoni, they could go for another young generation player. But as we all know, if Dhoni goes, then the crowd pulling will be very, very hard. So it's. I mean, it's up to him because I can't tell you. He's a genius. He's like the cricketing genius of this planet.